Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to forward messages in Zangi. Now let us begin. Well, as you guys can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, we'll do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now right now what I'm gonna do is simply go to my interface right here. Let's say I want to share this video with my other friends as well. So I'm simply gonna click and hold on it, and as such, this thing will open up. At the very top, as you guys can see, there are a few options. Right now, all you guys need to do is simply focus on the top right. As you guys can see, there is a button like this. Click on it right now. And once you do that, you can forward it to anyone. You can forward it to your friends, other groups as well. Simply click on this checkbox right here. And once everything's okay, click on the send button. I'm gonna click on it. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, the message has been forwarded. Well guys, that is it. That's the gist of it. That's how we forward messages in Zangi. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.